Hi, ni hao ma, wojia, yi sha wei. Yeah, can you understand this language? I understand. This is Mandarin, the world's second most spoken language with about 1.1 billion speakers. We felt troubled for three sentences. What about a person who had been struggling with this for 3 years? Yeah, this was just an ordinary day. It was raining cats and dogs outside. We were in grade 4. We weren't allowed to investigate the plans, so we were all cooped inside the class, staring at our teacher with our blank faces. We were studying normally until our teacher started announcing our marks. I was ecstatic. Guess why? I got a whopping 20 out of 20 score and topped the class. Our whole class got good marks. We thought ma'am would make us study. Shockingly, we got time to chat. We were normally blabbering about who would be the class captain when I interposed. I can be the class captain. Then my friend roared in laughter. Ha ha ha, how can you be the class captain? I felt uncomfortable and judged just because of having minimal knowledge in a language. It was disheartening to be simply mocked just because it took me so much time to learn a language. At that time, from my perspective, only written English was important. But this incident made me realize that both spoken and written English are equally important. When English is neither the home language or the language for active communication, students get less meaningful exposure. As UNESCO highlights, learning a language needs both academic and personal context as it is needed for improving the fluency. Linguistic discrimination, also known as glottophobia, linguicism, or languageism, is the unfair treatment of people based upon their first language, accent, and the perceived size of the vocabulary. A report from BBC states that this type of bias can take a significant psychological toll. Dorchin's research shows that people who are shamed or excluded form inferiority complexes and start to believe they're actually less intelligent. A report from Clausius Press states that globally 60% of the people are either bilingual or multilingual, and many report feeling confident in their native languages than in English just because it is related to either professional or social pressure. Another report from BBC states that in the workplace, people can be certainly hounded with their accents, like a Puerto Rican call center worker who was told by a customer, "Your stupid accent makes me sick," or like a Pakistani transport worker in London who was excluded from conference calls by his manager. Dilsia Young, who was also discriminated, she knows how it feels. She was just denied a manager post of not being able to speak properly and fluently in English. She cannot be in a position where she has no possibility to move forward. People can also get discriminated and stop talking in their mother tongue, like one of my cousin who stopped speaking in her mother tongue. When I asked her to start speaking in her mother tongue, she asked me, then how can the English speaking people understand me? This sparked a question within me, and the same question gave me a brainwave, a smart translation earphone. It is connected to your phone. It has many features like noise cancellation. It cancels noise no matter how much loud it is. Long battery life provides extended usage from 19 to 60 hours. Ergonomic design provides a clear cut design for long time calls. The high quality sound provides premium speakers for clear audio calls. The Bluetooth connection is a wireless one. The touch helps you pause or cut the call, making the phone not have its usual work. The app helps you adjust the settings and change the languages based upon your choice. As of now, the smart translation earphones are staggering and trusted worldwide. And Team AI Phones did a survey and found out that smart translation earphones help fight glottophobia as they make people understand each other easily. They translate speech instantly as language mistakes and emotional accents don't get the way. These may make people feel more confident and included, and this can be used in schools jobs, and healthcare. As of now, the smart translation earphones are valued at approximately $1.5 billion dollars, and they're estimated to grow up to $3.2 billion, dollars, giving a CAGR growth of 12.5%. These earphones give a wide range of communications. These earphones are enabled for all people so that they can live with their heads held high. Thank you.